Hello, everybody. Welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 8 with color LEDs. It says color LEDs. The color LEDs can use the same basic commands that you used with the red LED, such as on and off. This program should turn on and off the bottom LEDs as shown in the picture, but only one LED is working. So we should see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 turn on and 5 turn on. All right. So do this. Read and run the code to see how the program turns the bottom left LED on and off. Add more code to make sure both bottom LEDs turn on and off. So right now, if I press run, all right, and I turn on, all right, we can see here that only this one is turning on, but we want this one and this one. So if this is 4, then the next one is going to be 5, right? So that's what we need to do. We need to come in here and we need to grab this bit of code right here, and where it says 4, this one we're going to say 5. And then down here at the bottom where it says color LEDs 4 off, we're going to do the same thing. So color LEDs 5, 5 off. All right, so let's reset and run it again. So turn on the bottom lights, there we go. And then turn off the bottom lights, there we go. All right, that's it. That's all we had to do. So with that, we're going to press finish and I will see you on the next level.